How to tie a tie. Let's get started with this. I'm going to show you a very simple knot. So basically what you have is two ends of the tie over here. This is the broader end and this is the narrow end, right? Step one, this is wrap it around your neck. Now on your tie, what you will see is a line like this. So this is where you can hold it. So your narrow end goes behind this. That's step number one, right? So this is done. Step number two is you have to take this broader end and move it behind this like this, and then you can hold it over here. Step number three is you wrap it around like this. Step number three. Step number four, you bring it from inside out. Step number four. Step number five, you place it in between this space, the gap that you have in front of you, and then step number six is to tighten it. And you have yourself a very simple knot. All you have to do is just place it into place. Make sure that your button is closed, and then you put your collars down. There it is. You make sure you have it in the center. There it is. Very simple.